Hello friends, my name is Dash. Today I am going to teach you how to make a bird at home. First I have taken a square craft paper. Now we will fold it into half like a rectangle. Now we will again fold. Now we will fold it one more time. Then it will become square. Now we will open it. Now I have unfolded. After that, this one we will fold it like a triangle and again press. And this one. Now I have do it. Now we will again unfold. Now I have unfolded. Now this line we will match into this line and this also. Now we will press. Oh, now it will become into the square. After that, now this one we will match till this line and press. Same thing we will do it with second also. Now we will match. Now I have press. Now we will turn and same thing we will do it with another side. Now I have do it. Now this one we will do it like this and press. Now it will look like a triangle. Now we will again unfold. After that we will turn and here is one left. Now this one we will do it like this. This one we will keep it. This one do it like this. Now I have done. Now this one we will do it down and turn, and this we will unfold. Our same thing we will do it with this side. Now I have done it. After that we will turn and this one we will do it like this. Now this one we will do it like this and again turn, and same thing we will do it with this side. After that you can see. Now this one we will. Now let's make a beak. Now this one we will do it. Now this one we will do. Now our bird is ready. Let's make a eyes. Now I have made. Now our bird is ready. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. You can like, subscribe and share. Subscribe my channel Art and Craft by Dash. Thank you.